Hello my friends, my name is Ruslan and I'm PDR technician from Ukraine. Take a look at this big dent, and this is what I'll be repairing today. I have to sit inside and let's remove it. Okay, I take some paper and I need to push it from inside. It's a very big problem with this headliner, but let's push it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Take a look from outside, please. Uh-oh. Woohoo! I think I can continue working with my hands and push it up. Oh. I think it's awesome. Now let's try pulling it with cold glue. Oh, not bad. Next one. Ah. Let's try another glue and a bigger top. That's right. Change the place. Around all the dent. Okay. I work on this roof for 2 days. Then I have the weekend off, and now let's see the result. The roof shape is back. From some angles it looks finished, but there is still a lot of work to do. I still need to fix small waves, reflections, and other small imperfections. You may have noticed that the headliner is already removed, but I couldn't take it out of the car because the trunk lock doesn't work. I don't know what it happens. I keep leveling this whole area using glue, rods, hammers and other tools. There is still a small stretched area, but I plan to fix it with sound deadening material. I also try to fix the headliner as much as I can, so it doesn't look so damaged. So, let's continue this work. The work is done, you can see the result. Thank you for your support, for watching my video, for helping me grow. Take care of yourselves.